Paul and Adam Bike Free. We are camping in Washoe Park. It is raining. We're in Anaconda, Montana. You have these storms rolling in through the mountains. There's the mountains up there. I don't know if you can see them. We're camped underneath this tree for some wet weather coverage by this beautiful running mountain stream, and it's running a lot heavier since it started raining, but that's cool. Not going to get that high. This stream or creek, just winds through the park. And there we are. About to climb in, take the snooze, wait for some of the drizzling to stop. Maybe we can make a fire, cook up some rice and beans and pasta. It's really pretty out here. Hopefully it will stop raining too. But we'll see. Maybe it won't. It'll be a wet night. Camped up. But we do have plenty of snacks. Cinnamon buns. Bananas in my tree. Raw broccoli, which, I don't know. I guess we're hungry enough. We'll eat it. But getting rained on. Gotta close up my tent. Gonna read and snooze for a minute. Bike free, people.